can and take you to the Asian market. And I actually found something that was pretty good. I tried it last week. I wish I would have got more cans, but I got one of each. It's Seitan in a can, and show you what it looked like and let you know how it tastes. It really tastes good if you fix it right. I didn't think it was, but anyway, let's get going. Hey everybody, I am back. I'm at home and we're going to get this started. It's going to be really quick. So I purchased this one here, the Chaya, the imitation roasted duck. I never liked a duck and ever. I never ate. I tried it once and hated it. So I'm really surprised that I like this. It has, if you can see this here, or on the other one, it has ingredients is gluten, which is wheat protein, braised in soybean oil water, no GMO, soy sauce, soybean, wheat, salt, and sugar. It's just basically wheat and soy sauce. And this is how theirs look, and it tastes really good. So I already opened up a can. What I'm going to do is put a little heat under this pan. I have some ghee, which is clarified butter, taking all the water out, letting it absorb out. I'm going to put some of that in here. I might have it up just a little bit too high. This is probably too much. And I'm going to make like a roux. This might be too much. Hopefully not. Let that get hot. Okay, so now that everything is hot, I have some flour here that I use to, you know, season up stuff. I'm going to put some of that flour in here and let it get brown. And I may add just a little bit too much butter in this batch, but it's okay, it's not salty. And once this gets brown, I'll add the braids gluten chunks, which is Seitan, or not Seitan, Seitan. You guys know the stuff that I made with the flour and the water, but it's already in a can. So let's let this get brown. As you can see, it's browning. Maybe a little bit more darker. Okay. There we go. Now, I'm going to add my gluten, or my Seitan. Turning the fire down just a little bit. This is how it looks. Add a little hot water. Okay, now I'm going to add the liquid from that. And I don't think I added anything else to this the first time I made it. I could put 2 cans in it. I did make more liquid this time. I had a smaller. Okay, got the smoke alarm off. And add just a little bit of this here. So that. You can add more water if it's too thick for you. So I didn't add anything else to this here. You guys, so I made a pot of rice over here, if you can see that. And I have a taste tester, someone you never met, my daughter. She's going to taste it and tell you, and she tell you what she think about it. So I'll give her a little bit. Okay, this is what it looked like. Okay, here she comes. You want some salt or pepper? This is yours. Okay, she's gonna try it. You can try a little bit. You might. She's a regular person. She's not like me. I don't eat meat, so. Is it good?
It's good.
He says she's good. Yay! That's a winner. Okay, that's a winner.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, so she really liked that. I'm gonna fix my plate. Rice. And this. And did yours need any salt or pepper? Okay. Okay.
It was good.
Let's see. Well, I will try mine, you guys. Let's see. Okay. See what that looked like? Hold on. There we go. Okay. Good. Excuse me. See you guys next time. Eat as healthy as you can, as often as you can. Bye-bye.